So here we are again for another video. Like, it's just me in the same day at the same position, filming another video. But who cares? This video was synced to my mind, synced in my mind when I was watching a video of someone who is telling a video of someone that is teaching me how to podcast. So this came up in my mind because I was thinking I was like this before. So to, right now we are going to talk about why you are not confident, girl. Like why you're not being confident. There are a lot of people who is just uh afraid of making something because they're not really good at it. And I was like that before. I listed a lot of videos to film before, but I was not confident because I was afraid that people might hear me and I'm not that pretty enough to look good in the camera, or I wouldn't have words to tell or to speak, especially that I'm not a native English speaker. So that's the reason, one of the reason why I have no content for the last 4 years, because I am not confident. But why you are not confident, girl? Like, do you know that you are very beautifully created? And I realized this late too. And right now, I want to share with you that I think if you want to do something, then be unstoppable. No one really cares about you, just like no one really cares about me filming this. And I don't also care if people will talk. I guess that's, if people will talk about you, then I guess you are like being heard because you are making noise. And I guess that is not a bad thing. It is a good thing. Because if you are making noise, then you're not just sitting around. That's where you give a value and impact. So for me, why not do something confidently? For me, example uh, YouTuber are really, I usually watch people do YouTube that is just have aesthetic house, fancy camera, and a really good speaker. But when I dig deep about when I was scrolling to their uh you know, their oldest videos, I've seen a lot of videos of them that is not that great to watch and doesn't really make sense. So for me, I advise myself and you girls, if you want to do something and you feel like you're not good at it, then do it. Because again, what you will lose, right? If you will do it, you will just, if you will not do it, you will lose time. And you will, maybe, you will lose the opportunity that comes with it.